Let's do a quick challenge in Python. Challenge here is swap the two variables age underscore 1 and age underscore 2. Now age underscore 1 is 21, age underscore 2 is 22, and then somehow we have to swap these variables. How do we swap variables? There are many ways to do it. We're going to just try one way. Age underscore 1 equal to 21, age underscore 2 equals 22. Okay, now we have to swap these variables, meaning 22 has to go here, 21 has to go here. How can we do that? Let's go to our whiteboard. Age underscore 1 equals 21, age underscore 2 equals 22. Like I said, there are many ways to do it, but a simple and very intuitive way is, why can't we do something like this? Age underscore 1 equals age underscore 2, and then age underscore 2 equals age underscore 1. Will this work? Let's see. Age underscore 1 equals age underscore 2. Now remember, variables are just pointers to somewhere in the computer where the actual value resides. So when you say age underscore 1 equals age underscore 2, you're essentially saying that age underscore 1 also points to what age underscore 2 points. Right? As soon as you execute this statement, both these variables become 22 or point to 22. Now when you say age underscore 2 equals age underscore 1, age underscore 1 already has lost this pointer. So this pointer is lost. Meaning you no longer know what is the variable that points to this age. So this way of doing the swapping does not work. Now you might already know this does not work, but try and understand why it does not work. So what is the solution? Okay, one of the solutions is have a temporary variable temp, right? And then store this value in temp, right? Now this becomes 21, temp points to 21. Now you can say age underscore 1, right? So with this statement, this points here, and age underscore 2 equals temp. Now this points to 21, right? So there are three steps. Step 1, create a temporary variable, assign the value of age 1 to this variable. Step number 2, assign the age 1 variable to age 2 variable, meaning point to wherever age 2 is pointing to, and age 2 points to the temporary variable. This is one way of swapping variables. So temp equals age underscore 1. Okay, step number 1. Now temp, if you do a shift enter and find out the value of temp, that is 21. So we have got a pointer to this data 21. Now you are free to play with age underscore 1. Age underscore 1 equals age underscore 2. Now age underscore 1 lost the pointer to the value 21 and instead is now pointing to 22. But not a big deal because we already have a variable temp that's pointing to this 21. So we have a reference to 21. We didn't lose it. Then finally, age underscore 2 equals temp. Now let's see what age underscore 1 points to. 22. Age underscore 2 points to 21. See, we have swapped this. Age underscore 1 now points to 22. Age underscore 2 now points to 21. This is one way to swap two variables. Now I encourage you to go out on the web and find out all different ways in which you can swap variables. Just do a quick Google and then you'll find out so many different ways in which you can swap variables.